For the past 2 years, we have heard one question repeatedly. Will AI replace my job? But the latest hiring data from India's Global Capability Centers tells a different story. The biggest hiring trend isn't the job replacement, it's job transformation. If you're an IT professional, this could be one of the most important career updates you will hear this year. According to the latest GCC hiring report, companies are not rushing to hire large numbers of fresh graduates for AI roles. Instead, they are moving experienced professionals into next generation positions such as model operations engineer, applied AI engineer, AI platform engineer, AI agent developer, AI data platform engineer. The hottest trend today isn't changing companies, it's changing the roles. This is called lateral role transformation. Here is the key insights. Companies already trust experienced employees who understand customers, products, and business processes. Rather than replacing them, they are helping them learn AI and transition into more advanced roles. The report also highlights significant skill gaps in areas like machine learning, operations, MLOps, AI evolution, data engineering, QA automation, and AI native full stack development. This tells us that the opportunity belongs to professionals who are willing to upskill. What should you do? If you are an IT professional with 4 to 12 years of experience, this is an excellent time to invest in AI related skills. You don't need to start from scratch. Build on what you already know. If you're a Java developer, learn AI assisted development. If you're a cloud engineer, explore AI infrastructure. If you're a QA engineer, understand AI powered testing. Your existing experience becomes more valuable when combined with AI. Today's skill spotlight is MLOps. MLOps or machine learning operations focuses on deploying, monitoring, and managing AI models in real business environments. As more organizations move AI from experiments into production, professionals with MLOps expertise are expected to be in the growing demand. I believe the next wave of hiring won't be driven by completely new job titles. Instead, existing roles will evolve. Tomorrow's software engineer, cloud architect, business analyst, and data engineer will all be expected to understand AI tools and workflows. AI will become a core skill, not a separate specialization. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe AI will create more opportunities than it replaces? Or are we entering a completely new era of work? Share your opinion in the comments. If you're planning your next career move, hiring AI talent, or trying to understand how your role will evolve, connect with me on LinkedIn. I regularly share practical career intelligence, hiring trends, and market insights to help professionals stay ahead.